Good afternoon, madam. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Please come in and take a seat.
I want to purchase jewelry set for myself.
With great pleasure, it is your own shop. First tell us what would you like to take, cold or hot?
No thanks. There is no need for anything. Just show me the sets.
You must take a cold drink. It is hot today.
Okay, if you insist.
Here are some good sets. See the sparkle and the beauty of the designs.
I would like to purchase this golden set.
This is really wonderful and the last piece left. We brought 5 sets of this design 2 days ago, 4 have already been sold.
What is its price?
Only Rs.2, 78,000/dash.
It seems to be a little costly.
What are you saying, madam? Have we ever overcharged from you? This is the newspaper. Look at the price of gold today. We could reduce the making charges a bit.
After thinking for some time, I am taking it.
What else do you want? Would you like to see anything else?
Yes, could you me a simple ring for my husband? It should be less than 10 grams. He dislikes heavy rings.
Here it is, please.
It is really very attractive. What is the price of this ring?
Rs. 32,000/dash only.
Please pack this ring also, and here is total amount of the purchase of jewelry.
Thank you, madam.
What happened, Patricia? You are all soaked and looking tensed.
For women, Holi is a traumatic experience. The worst festival, I think.
Did someone trouble you a lot?
First, a water-filled balloon hit me on the face while coming in the bus. And as soon as I got down the bus and entered the lane, a group of teenagers threw water on me.
Why didn't you slap them hard?
When the woman teasers are in a group, it is very difficult to react. Even if we react, they run away and hide.
We are not quarreling, Patricia. We are cursing Holi. Previously, Holi was celebrated for 1 day. Now women have to face the discomfort for more than a week.
Please don't mind. Holi is a festival of joy and friendship. Just learn to enjoy it. What can you expect from a society that burns their daughter-in-laws alive?
Crying or grumbling is not going to help you. Get organized and be tough. This is the only solution. But women have their limitations. Most of them are unable to create a scene on the roads.
The chain of that limitation is given to you by the society, which you like to wear. Once you get bold and throw away that chain, nobody can dare to violate your honor. Teach the people how to respect you.
It is true that till the women learn to fight for their self-respect, they can't expect liberation. Although it is a tough task to face the opposition of the society, but something must be done.
Last year I was coming back from the market with my friend. Suddenly we were hit hard with balloons. We saw a group of boys giggling. We immediately took off our sandals and started hitting them. They took to their heels in embarrassment as people were watching. Probably they never played Holi afterwards, especially with the girls.
Still, it is a difficult task. We can't fight everywhere.
Then this society will continue treating you as second-class citizens.
Even if we get tough and united for some time, people will start honoring our dignity.